All right, when doing the distributive property, remember that you're multiplying this number outside of the parentheses to both numbers inside. So it'd be negative 3 times 2x, and then it would be negative 3 times negative 8. So we would get negative 6x, and negative 3 times negative 8 would give us a positive 24. So that's what that would look like using that distributive property. Now if we had a fraction, okay, we do the same thing here. So we're still going to multiply that 2/3 to both of our numbers inside of our parentheses. So it'd be 2/3 times 3x, and then 2/3 times 6y. Remember when you are multiplying fractions that you multiply the tops straight across and the bottom straight across. So we'll go 2/3 times 3x over 1. So we get 6x over 3, which reduces down to 2x. And over here we'll have 2/3 times 6y over 1. So we'll get 12y divided by 3. Remember, fractions are really just division. So then you get 4y. So this will end up being 2x plus 4y. If you guys have any questions or need any help, let me know.